To install the winch onto your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park and remove the key. Next, route the driver's seat harness out of the way to aid in seat removal. Then, pull up on the front seat lever and pivot forward to remove the seat from the vehicle. Before continuing, disconnect the negative battery cable. Then, reinstall the fastener and washer to prevent misplacement. Next, open the center dashboard storage compartment. Then, pull the compartment up and out of the dashboard. If equipped, also push the USB harness through its mounting hole. Next, remove the two longer upper fasteners on the front fascia. Then, remove the two shorter lower fasteners on the front fascia and carefully set the fascia aside. Next, remove the two push-pin rivets from the front fascia below the grille. Then, remove the four bumper fasteners, securing the bumper assembly to the chassis. And carefully remove the bumper. Next, align the mounting hooks on the rear of the winch assembly and insert them into the two slots on the vehicle chassis. Then, secure the winch to the chassis using four fasteners. Torque the fasteners to specification. Continue by installing the upper winch fastener to secure the winch near the radiator. Next, remove and retain the two fasteners from the fascia bracket. And remove the bracket. Then, route the contactor box along the radiator shroud and over the suspension. Then, secure the winch harness above the suspension using the edge clips on the harness. Continue to route the contactor box up to the mounting location on the bulkhead. Next, secure the contactor to the bulkhead by installing the two outside fasteners first, and then the inside fasteners. Torque the fasteners until fully seated. Next, route the winch harness, extending from the contactor box through the bulkhead and under the dashboard. Then, remove the desired cap from the pulse bar and connect the winch harness connector to the bar. Continue by installing the positive cable over the positive cable nut on the pulse bar and secure with the provided nut. Torque the nut to specification and repeat for the negative cable. Next, reinstall the fascia bracket in front of the winch harness and secure with the retained fasteners. Torque the fasteners to specification. Next, locate the winch socket location in the center console and push or cut the insert out. Then, route the harness through the hole and under the dash. Then, secure the winch remote socket to the console using 2 fasteners. Torque the fasteners until fully seated. Continue by connecting the winch socket connector to the winch remote connector. Next, remove and retain the 4 winch cover fasteners on the front fascia. And discard the cover. Then, align the new winch cover with the mounting holes on the fascia and secure with 4 retained fasteners. Torque the fasteners to specification. Next, choose an area on the dashboard clear of any parts or components to mount the remote holder. Then, carefully drill 2 fasteners through the mounting holes in the holder and into the desired location on the dashboard. Next, insert the winch rope through the front fascia and align the fascia. Then, press the corners of the fascia into the body panel. Next, press the upper tab on the fascia under the grille. Then, align the mounting holes and reinstall the upper longer retained fasteners. Continue by reinstalling the lower shorter retained fasteners. Then, torque the fasteners to specification. Next, reconnect the negative cable to the battery and torque the fastener to specification. Then, turn the vehicle to on and ensure proper operation of the winch. Next, secure the winch harness along the radiator shroud with the edge clips on the harness. Continue by securing any excess harness to the chassis, ensuring it is clear of the suspension. Then, secure the excess harness near the pulse bar to the bulkhead using the edge clip on the harness. Also, secure any extra harness under the dash and near the suspension. Next, if equipped, reinsert the USB harness into the mounting hole in the storage compartment. Then, slide the compartment into the dashboard cavity and press into place. Finally, reinstall the seat by aligning the front alignment tabs and pushing down on the rear to engage the rear latch. The winch can be operated using either the wired or wireless remote. The gear on the driver's side of the winch controls the speed of the winch and also allows the winch to be free-spooled. To operate the wired winch, plug the winch remote into the connector under the dash. Press out to spool out and in to spool in. To operate the wireless remote, press and hold the power button to turn the key on. Then, press out to spool out and in to spool in. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.